All right, let's take a full look at your weather here on this Monday morning. We're going to look for temperatures this afternoon, upper 70s, lower 80s. Like I said in first weather, it's going to be really nice. Once you get off of work, take advantage of it because this is going to be the nicest day of the week for sure. And of course, if you can, take an outdoor lunch break because it's going to be very comfortable during your lunch hour as well. Like I said, upper 70s, lower 80s for today, a little bit higher than the averages there, set at 73 for this time of the year. And again, the better news here, take a look as we head through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. Wind gusts only about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those are the gusts, by the way, not the sustained wind. So going to be pretty calm for you out there on this Monday as well. That's a lot different than what we were seeing last week when those wind gusts were as high as 40 to 50 miles per hour across central Texas. Like I said, for today, mostly sunny, calm, about 80 degrees is what we'll call it for today. But by tomorrow, we could be talking the first 90-degree readings of the season. Again, mostly sunny skies. Winds do come back. They'll be out of the south. That's why it's going to be so much warmer for your Tuesday than what we're expecting for your Monday. We temper things out a little bit Wednesday with highs in the mid-80s. And that will be another potentially windy day as we start to watch our next storm system approach the area. Now, with this system, we're going to be entering into a little bit of an unsettled pattern. What do I mean by that is multiple days potentially where we could be seeing some rain chances. That starts late Wednesday, goes into Thursday, but our best chances, as you just saw in our forecast model, will be late Thursday into Friday afternoon. So that's going to be our best chance for rain. But even then, storm chances do continue into the weekend as well. You can see here late Friday and then into Saturday and Sunday as well. We'll continue to see those rain chances across central Texas. Now, at this point, it is entirely too early for us to determine if we're going to be seeing severe weather with this round of showers and thunderstorms. But what I will say is this, with potentially multiple rounds of rain in the forecast for central Texas, there are some areas that as we head towards late Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we could be talking about some minor street flooding as again we see these rounds of rain across central Texas. So keep that in mind. And of course, we'll continue to monitor if there's going to be a severe threat with this over the rest of the week. As we head towards the end of the week with those multiple rounds of rain, we could be talking 1 to 2 inches of rain in our western counties, our eastern counties, potentially 2 to 3 inches of rain. And of course, this is all very much needed as we've fallen a little bit behind for 2025. In fact, our drought status right now looking like this. Everybody under some level of drought here across central Texas. You can see abnormally dry conditions for our northern and eastern zones, but then we're seeing that moderate to extreme, even exceptional drought sneaking onto the map there in our far southwestern counties. So we need the rain. Hopefully we can get it without the severe elements, and of course, hopefully we can avoid the street flooding as well. But we'll keep an eye on that as we head towards the end of the week. Here's what your 7-day forecast looks like again for today. 80 degrees this afternoon, 91 for your Tuesday. Very warm there. And then we start to bring things back down with cloud cover, potential rain, and another front moving through back into the 70s by Friday. Again, that's our best chance for rain, but those chances do continue through the weekend.